If you're in the market for a home theater projector, you've probably come across some super cheap alternatives that promise the world but deliver subpar picture quality and a whole lot of hassle. I mean, we've all been there, trying to save a buck, only to end up with a projector that can barely produce a decent image, even in a pitch-black room. But what if I told you there's a better way? The Optoma GT1090HDRx is a short-throw laser home theater projector that actually delivers on its promises, with a reliable lamp-free operation that lasts up to 30,000 hours. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. This thing is a beast, capable of producing 4,200 lumens of brightness, which means you can use it in any room, day or night, without having to worry about the image quality suffering. For example, I've used it to watch sports with my friends during the day, and the picture is just as vibrant as it is at night. One of the biggest benefits of this projector is its short-throw lens, which allows you to place it just a few feet away from the screen, making it perfect for smaller rooms or apartments. And with its 4K HDR input, you can connect it to your favorite devices and enjoy stunning picture quality with vibrant colors and contrast. I've connected it to my 4K Blu-ray player, and the picture quality is simply stunning. It's like having a movie theater in my living room. Plus, the lamp-free operation means you don't have to worry about replacing bulbs or dealing with maintenance issues, which is a huge plus in my book. I've also noticed that the projector is really quiet, which is great for those who want to immerse themselves in the movie without any distractions. Another benefit of this projector is its ability to handle lights on viewing, which means you can use it in a room with some ambient light without the image quality suffering. This is really useful for everyday TV watching or gaming, where you might not want to have the room completely dark. And with its home cinema picture quality, you can enjoy a truly cinematic experience in the comfort of your own home. For instance, I've used it to watch movies with my family, and the picture quality is so good that it feels like we're in a real movie theater. The sound quality is also great, and I've connected it to my soundbar for an even more immersive experience. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of this projector. On the plus side, it's extremely reliable, with a long-lasting laser light source that's designed to last for years to come. It's also really easy to set up and use, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate. One thing to note is that it's not the cheapest option out there, but trust me, it's worth the investment. Additionally, some users have reported that the projector can get a bit warm during extended use, but this is a minor issue that can be easily mitigated by ensuring good airflow around the device. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Optoma GT1090HDRx, and I think it's a great option for anyone looking for a high-quality home theater projector. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the link in the description below, where you can find the latest price and more information on Amazon. The link is just below, so be sure to click on it to check it out, and thanks for watching.